Good afternoon. My name is Rory. This is Sarah, Rebecca, Kevin and Daniel, and we are Sana. Today we are going to present a business plan for a new hand hygiene system to be introduced into Irish hospital settings. The current problem is that it takes a lot of time to apply alcohol hand gel in healthcare settings. This leads to a high level of non-compliance and this can increase infection rates in patients. This has been shown to be quite costly for insurance companies and for the government. This is the current solution in most hospitals. It's also the problem, as many doctors and nurses don't want to use it. So here's our executive summary. We want to introduce a new hygiene system into Irish healthcare settings. The solution should be innovative, efficient and most importantly, effective. It should adhere to international and national hand hygiene standards. The aim is to penetrate the market by the end of year 1, and by the end of year 2 we aim to introduce this hand hygiene system into 15 hospitals. We understand that we're competing against large brands, so our promotion and our advertising will need to be strong. Basically, in September 2013, while we were researching this idea, the Health Investigation and Quality Authority released a report that stated that in 5 Irish hospitals, non-compliance due to hand hygiene were a serious risk to patient health. A new solution is required to help doctors adhere to these standards.
Our mission of our company is the creation of an innovative, safe, cost-effective healthcare product solution in line with current international and national standards. We plan to build a reputable brand name for our company, seek advocates within the healthcare system, and we want to introduce our hand sanitizer into 15 hospitals by the end of year 2. We wish to prove our concept with early trials and a doctor.
And this is our solution, the SaniPure. This product was created to easily apply alcohol gel in your hands. It's made of plastic ABS. It's good against the spreading of germs. It avoids getting contaminated, and it's very good for manufacturing. It's a cheap material, and this shape is very good to manufacture.
So basically, once you put your hand in, as seen there, the sensor picks up this and it will activate the circuit. There are sprays located 360 fashion all around the inner ring of the product. It will spray the isopropyl alcohol at 75% at your hand. Because of the nature of the chemical, it will evaporate within seconds, and this will leave no residue on the device or any of its surroundings. We try to design the device to be as simple as possible. Here will be the pressurized container. There will be a slot for batteries and all the necessary internal parts. Also, there will be a door on the side that can easily be opened, as seen from the top right corner, to access all the parts in case of malfunction, so that you don't need to replace the whole product.
And the use of this product is very easy, because you just need to insert your hands and without touching the face, and the alcohol gel will apply. We created this product based on a rounded square concept. It's very easy to install in any place. You can put it on the wall, like on the image, or you can put it on the table, like on a reception, for everybody to see and easily use this.
So benefits and price. No physical contact between the user and the device. That will prevent the buildup of bacteria and makes the whole process faster. Faster and more efficient than current solutions. The current solutions involve numerous steps. We, in our design process, cut down these steps, and that made the whole process faster. Easy to maintain. If a part breaks down, you don't have to replace the whole unit. Maximum coverage of alcohol onto the area of hand, because it's a 360 layout of the vapor sprays. It will cover most of your hand once inserted, and it's cheap to produce, and the price is €40 per unit.
The method in which we plan to distribute and promote our product is through advertisements such as medical journals and certain areas that people in the medicine industry will see. We hope to liaise with the key advisors within the IMO, the HSE and the HICWA. We also plan to promote our product at Enterprise Ireland's Medical Expo and other medical expos that are available to us. And also we plan to demonstrate our products at primary care facilities.
We conducted 3 in-depth interviews with nurses and the main problem they found was that the current hand sanitizer solutions are very time consuming. If they're running from patient to patient, they don't really have 20 to 30 seconds to stop to wash their hands. Often the solutions in the hospitals are broken or empty, so even if they wanted to wash their hands, they haven't got the facilities to do so. In general consensus was they wanted a less time consuming and effective solution to be created.
So who's our target market? Mainly the infection control and prevention teams within hospitals, HSE procurement, which works with small and medium enterprises to do business with, medical journals, importantly we want to reach nurses and healthcare professionals, health prevention surveillance centre publications, and most importantly medical expos. We want to demonstrate this product to our target market and we want to show them that it works.
The SWOT analysis of our company, we feel that our product is very unique, sleek, innovative, and the design is not. It's it's less time consuming. It's very easy to use. The weaknesses are that people are resistant to change. If the refill runs out, you have to refill it, so it's seen as a nuisance, and our lack of brand identity. The opportunities are the hospitals are looking to improve the hand hygiene across the board. The government assistance is available, and we have room to expand to large target markets. Our threats are the new levy on financial institutions, lack of brand identity, and current hand sanitisers in the market.
Operations and management. The device parts will be purchased from a supplier in China. From there, nearby it will be shipped and it will be assembled and packaged. We will get them shipped to our storehouse in Rathmines, which will hold our stock. From here we will courier the devices to prospective buyers. We also plan to travel ourselves and promote the product, as Ireland is a small destination, so it wouldn't be too difficult to do. And the finances, I'll take you through that. So first of all, in our first year we plan to sell 1,100 units, and at that being at €40 per unit, we're going to come out with the sales in our first year of €44,000. With the cost of sales, with each unit costing to make €18.23, our cost of sales with the amount of units being at 1,100, it will be €20,053. So leaving us with a gross profit of 23,947. In our first year we are being realistic with our figures, so we do see a net loss which will be of 15,230. In year 2 our sales will be higher as we plan to have a wider market, so we will up our units to 2,000, and at €40 that will be 80 grand for the whole year. The cost of sales for year 2 will be 36,460, and leaving us with a gross profit of 43,540. And then in our second year we will be in a net profit of €7,093. We plan to have a loan of 50,000 from Bank of Ireland at an interest rate of 5.74%, which we will pay back for the next 60 months. And we all are going to contribute €7,000 for our initial equity, leaving us with €35,000 for a start. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. We look forward to any questions you may have on the 21st of May.
Thank you.
Thank you.